future. I was yesterday walking in the Red Square and I was thinking, we have spent over a century thinking on how to optimize vehicles, how to dig deeper tunnels and bigger roads and incredible infrastructure. And now, for the first time, we are rethinking the way the human interacts with the actual city. So we are thinking of smart, livable, enjoyable cities. And AI can definitely complement this effort. But I think it starts from the infrastructure, right? So it starts from the way we conceive cities, starts from the bridges, the streets, the interconnection between the different type of transportations, whether it's bikes, whether it's for train, whether it's for bus or for cars, or even pedestrian types of transports or mobility. And this is a more of physical layer, we can say. And then there is a second type of layer, which is more, I would say, at a service level. So how to integrate those mobility services within the population and the demand. And now, and here I respond to the question, Caterina, is how AI can be integrated in all of this. What is the role that AI can play? But before AI, we talk about data. So what are the requirements that this data needs? First of all, it requires a level of maximum degree of interoperability, which means we take data from the traffic lights, from the bus stop, from the bike lanes, or from the crowd management. And we funnel all this data to recreate a digital replica of the city. We call this digital twin, and I think is widely used across several industries. Now, the power of the digital twin, if done properly with the right data, is that we can predict that, for example, in 15 minutes, we're going to have a crowd here, we're going to have a congestion or a traffic there, and we, through AI, and here is my answer, we can optimize the flow of the traffic, we can optimize the way we organize mobility to reduce, first of all, congestion, reduce the stress of people going to work and coming back at home. And number three, the GHG emissions. Remember, all the world is moving toward an effort to reduce the GHG, the CO2 emissions. And to reduce the pollutions, we need also optimized solutions. So AI can play a role in terms of prescriptive analytics, predictive AI, and obviously this requires a strong foundation architecture levels for artificial intelligence. And on top of that, obviously we have a more user-friendly type of layer for the actual users. Let's say a general application that allows all the travelers to have a kind of one-stop solution for mobility, payments, and say a service-based payment essentially.